Alright guys, thanks for coming to the channel. This is Robert. I am in front of my 2022 Ford Maverick Hybrid XLT, and the reason why I'm out here right now and I'm showing a wheel tire is because somebody knows that the tires on this Maverick isn't stock looking, and they are correct. They are not stock looking. When I picked this up, I had a different set of tires. Dealer decided to get these tires. I would have picked something else, honestly, but the tires are there. They're kind of cool, semi-aggressive. Tires are Falken Wild Peak trails. They're not the AT3s. They're trails, but they look pretty cool. Pretty aggressive looking here. Slightly bigger size, 235, 65, 17. Stock, I believe, is 225, 60, 17. So these are a little taller. Kind of aggressive, like I said, looking, but not full on off-roady, but they'll be quieter. I don't really hear a lot of noise with these guys. So that's it. Looks kind of good with this kind of wheel. I like this, I don't know, carbon graphite color. I think they really did a good job, Ford, with that stock wheel. But we'll see if I'll keep it stock. I'm actually debating, do I lower it or do I lift it or keep it stock? Maybe you guys can share on this one as well. All right, that's about it. Just want to talk about this tire because somebody saw it and they were asking about it. All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. More content on this vehicle every week. All right, still waiting for the tank to empty so I can show you what the first tank got me. Hang in tight. Thanks for coming. Peace out.